Hello everyone, I'm Krishna. Let me welcome you to my channel. I'm back with a new lesson today, and today's lesson is differentiate between motion of no confidence and motion of impeachment. Dear students, I have uploaded many videos of social studies. I hope you might have watched all these videos. If not, please visit my channel and watch all these videos. These videos are quite informative and useful for you. I have been asked by my students to teach a lesson of differentiate between motion of no confidence and motion of impeachment. I am going to teach today the same lesson. Students, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and leave comments in my comment box. That could be feedback for me. Let's see the next slide. It talks about the differences between the motion of no confidence and motion of impeachment. I have written the differences on the basis of the Constitution of Nepal 2072. Let me differentiate them in terms of definition. How is motion of no confidence different from motion of impeachment? Students find subjects of constitution always difficult. Motion of no confidence and motion of impeachment are the provisions of the constitution. Let's see the definition of motion of no confidence. A vote showing a majority does not support the policy of leader and a governing body. It means there are three organs of government: legislature, judiciary and executive. If legislature finds executive not being capable of discharging its obligations and duties, legislature may pass the motion of no confidence against executive. If it is passed by legislature, executive body or a governing body of a nation will be automatically dissolved. Motion of no confidence cannot be tabled until 2 years of the appointment of a new government. Motion of impeachment means a motion which is used to impeach some of the officials of government bodies from their office because of accusation. Yes, legislature may register the motion of impeachment against some of the officials of government bodies if it finds the functions of the officials of government bodies are unconstitutional, or if they are found being guilty because of the involvement in bribery or an other action that is taken to be unconstitutional by the Constitution. Motion of impeachment can be put forward by the legislature against those officials who do the illegal works. Second difference in terms of required number. It means how many members are required to pass the motion of no confidence or motion of impeachment. It needs majority of the total number of the then members of the House of Representatives to be passed, whereas motion of impeachment needs 2/3 majority of the total number of the then members of legislature to be passed. It means motion of impeachment needs more members in the parliament to be passed. Third difference, for whom motion of no confidence is tabled, legislature may table the motion of no confidence against executive if it is passed by the House of Representatives. The post of Prime Minister and other ministers become vacant. They are no longer fit to hold the same position. Motion of impeachment is used to impeach President, Vice President, Chief Justice, judges of Supreme Court, members of Judicial Council, chief commissioners, and other officials of constitutional bodies. They are the officials of government bodies, and if there is an involvement in unconstitutional works or in the area of bribery, motion of impeachment can be tabled by the legislature against them. If it is passed by the legislature, they are no longer fit or suitable to hold the position. Fourth difference is exerciser who is exercising this provision. In accordance to the Constitution of Nepal 2072, motion of no confidence is only tabled or can only be tabled by House of Representatives, not by the National Assembly. We know the legislature of Nepal is bicameral, and bicameral means a parliament having two houses. Motion of impeachment is different in terms of exercises. Let's see, in case of president and vice president, both the houses exercise this provision. It means House of Representatives and National Assembly must use this provision in order to impeach the president and the vice president. Whereas in case of others, only House of Representatives exercises this provision. The final point is when. When means a situation. In what situation does legislature table or register motion of no confidence against executive? When the functions of executive does not satisfy the legislature may table the motion of no confidence against executive. And in motion of impeachment, if both the houses of parliament find a serious violations of the constitution and law or inability to discharge the duties or functions of the office by the officials of government bodies, they can be impeached by the motion of impeachment. If a motion of impeachment is passed by the legislature, the officials to whom the impeachment is passed cannot continue the work of the office. Motion of no confidence and motion of impeachment are in the Article 100 and 101 respectively in the present Constitution of Nepal 2072. It is the answer of this question. Students, if you like this video, please comment and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you for watching this video.